With several food sensitivities and the abundance of unhealthy foods out there, do you sometimes wonder what else is there left to eat? I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. With over 4 decades of health challenges and experiences, and as a health coach, I have learned that healthy food alternatives along with food-grade essential oils is a game changer. Your gut health is your health. So if you want to improve gut health naturally, get my free health assessment at the link in the description below. And enjoy the video. If you like healthy snacks to eat, making these kale chips in oven is super simple. And if you want to know how to eat kale, this is the best way. It's one of my favorite dairy-free snacks and healthy snack recipes that I can whip up in minutes. So first, preheat your oven to 200 degrees and in the blender add 3/4 cup water, 1 cup of raw cashews that have been soaked for 30 to 60 minutes, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Bragg's liquid aminos, a teaspoon of onion powder. Then we're going to add our secret sauce, 1 drop of coriander essential oil, and 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Now, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we are going to blend this for 1 to 2 minutes. You want this really smooth, no grit. So make sure and blend it really smooth. Then in a large bowl, we're going to add 4 large handfuls of baby or cut up kale leaves, whichever you have and prefer. And then pour on this cheesy kale sauce. Mix very well so that the leaves are well coated. And then you're going to spread this out kind of thin on 1 to 2 baking sheets and pop it in the oven for 45 to 60 minutes, depending on how spread out they are. Now you can also do kale chips, dehydrator method in the same way. Just dehydrate 12 to 16 hours on a low setting. Either way, they are super, super tasty, so satisfying, and one of my favorite healthy low carb recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, like, and subscribe. Then take that free health assessment so you can begin improving your gut health today.